Affinity Photo video tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use channels with filters. And first thing to do, just get the channels panel and I'm just going to go to View and Studio and Channels. Once you've got that, just go to the red channel, or green channel, doesn't matter. So I'm just going to go to the red channel and now you can apply any of the filters. So I'm just going to go apply, say like blur. Just apply blur, click apply. Now, composite green, I'm going to see that nothing's been changed there. So then go to filters and distort and maybe twirl. Just change the angle. Just going to drag that over there. Click apply. And now when you go back, you can see now you've got the blur and also you've got this twirl design just in the green channel. Right. Well, that's really it in terms of the filters with the channels, but there's actually a little bit more in these channels. You can also have spare channels and you can also have the pixel selection. Now this is quite useful because it's masks. So basically just go over here with, so this panel is very important in that respect. So just click here, just go down there, toggle quick mask. And just then, of course, you can now apply brushes. And I'm just going to very quickly apply a brush. And obviously you can see the brush there, just added. And I'm just going to quickly go around there. Maybe go over there, and now if I actually come out that, you can see the actual mask has been used. Great, nice selection very quickly, but you can of course use it with filters as well. So you've got that effect, that brush stroke, but what you can do while you're actually on that, you can actually go over here, filters, and say blur, and again Gaussian blur, and you can actually see now the Gaussian blur has been applied to the mask, so you can just create a nice sort of blurry mask very quickly. Also, what you can do, and I'm just going to click apply there so I don't lose the effect, you can go to other ones as well, such as deform, and you can then click on there, and again you're still in the mask, so you can actually just drag that around and distort the mask. You can see the mask there being distorted, and drag that out that way. Okay, once you're happy with the mask, you can then click apply and then obviously just go back again, toggle, and you've got your mask that's been in selection now, that's been distorted as well as blurred. So you can actually now obviously fill it, do with sort of brush strokes into there as well. So just add brush strokes, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.